This is Daddy and Zane playing the Wii.
Yes!
Bowling. And Daddy got a spare. Now it's Zaner's turn. Oh,
it's my turn.
it's still Daddy's turn.
Hey!
Your turn's coming.
It's supposed to start me.
Hey Zane, you're next, Bubs. Let's see your character first. There's Zane. And there's Zane. He's gonna bowl next.
Whoa.
Good job!
Okay, you get to try again. Oh, wait, hit the A button. Okay, go. Oh, you dropped it.
Oh, dropped it.
Try again. You did it again. You're not. Now do it. Okay, there you go.
I got one.
Oh no, look, Zane! You're
Game
pretty
finish.
good. Hey Zane, look at me.
You bowled a 74.
Zane, look at me. What did you do? What did you play? Tell me. Tell me. Did you play bowling?
Yeah.
And did you like it?